afternoon, Jeneline.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Jeneline Alabastro. I'm 27 years old. I'm married. I have 2 kids. My eldest daughter is 8 years old and the youngest is 7 years old.
You have domestic helper experience.
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your employer's house?
Taking care of the baby and
Taking care of a baby. How month old?
Since newborn.
Since newborn.
Yes, ma'am.
Until the baby was?
7 months.
For 7 months. How do you take care of a newly born baby?
Feeding the baby, change the diaper,
Sterilize the bottles.
sterilize the bottle.
What do you do if the baby cries? You check what?
Check the diaper, yes.
Check if the baby is hungry.
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from taking care of a child, a baby, what else do you do in your employer's house?
Cooking, ma'am.
Cooking. What else?
Clean the house.
How many times do you cook?
3 times a day.
3 times a day. Do you know how to operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Like washing machine, ironing.
ironing. This will be your first time to be employed in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay if you're going to undergo training for Hong Kong employment?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer cannot provide you a day off, but they will pay you instead? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer tells you to clean her mother's house, are you going to obey?
Yes, ma'am.
No complaint?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept the holiday given by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to follow all the instructions from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Any food you do not eat?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not to use the telephone without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your employer, Jenny?
Sir, ma'am, if you choose me, I promise to take care of your house, to clean the house. That's all.
Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you, ma'am.